absolutely correct that it is a super quiet tax year in the legislature. So we have some kind of outstanding tax issues from last year that have never really moved through the process. SCA 5 is the split roll constitutional amendment that would tax commercial property higher than residential property. That language has been out there since last year. It hasn't moved through the process, and there's no indication that it's going to try and move through the process this year either. It's a 2/3 vote threshold, so it would have a difficult time if it even did try to move through. There's Senator Hertzberg, who has an intent bill out there with regards to services tax. Again, very similar to the last year where there was an intent bill out there, but it never had any formal substance to it, never went through the legislative process. It was more just a discussion piece for Senator Hertzberg and to get people thinking about the idea. But again, nothing solid on the way of legislative ideas. And aside from that, it's pretty quiet. There's some tax credit proposals out there, some homeowner mortgage debt forgiveness things, but aside from that, very, very minimal tax issues this year. The main activity on the taxes, everyone probably knows, is on the ballot this year. So we already have the extension for the personal income tax increase under Prop 30. It's qualified for the ballot, and so that is something that will be raised tomorrow, I know, at our board meeting, and something that a lot of employers and businesses are starting to talk about with regards to extending that temporary tax that Governor Brown had proposed and got passed several years ago, and extending the personal income tax increase portion of it for another 12 years. And then just recently, yesterday, there was signatures turned in for the tobacco tax initiative. So currently they're counting the signatures for that now, and you're likely to see an initiative on the ballot for tobacco tax as well. So the main activity for all taxes is probably going to be on the ballot.